morning, children. Welcome to our chemistry class. Chemistry lab over here. Fine. So today we'll learn something after seeing the demo of some of the reactions. Fine. So here I am performing few experiments which you have to observe carefully, because I am going to ask you few questions after this, or you will be having some worksheet also on the basis of that, which will be uploaded on our blog. This is magnesium matter, magnesium ribbon in the sense, which is silvery white in color. Here I am going to burn this silvery white ribbon, magnesium ribbon. Before burning, we have to scrub the surface of the magnesium ribbon with this sandpaper. What is the need of scrubbing this magnesium ribbon with the sandpaper? Just to scrap off the layer present over the metals, magnesium metal. Here, because of the oxygen present in the atmosphere, this magnesium reacts with the oxygen and form magnesium oxide. So that's why a white magnesium oxide layer is deposited over the ribbon, and hence we have to scrub it with the sandpaper to just get a proper result. If we burn this magnesium ribbon in the oxygen, observe what is happening. See, the white dazzling light comes out when you burn magnesium ribbon. And the magnesium ribbon, when it's burning, please see that you have to be aware. It produces white color ash. Switch off the burner here. Now you can see this magnesium ribbon is turning into magnesium white color powder, white color ash. Yes. So due to if you see the color change over here, magnesium ribbon which was very solid here, if we burn in oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide, Mg, that is a symbol of magnesium. When react with oxygen, it forms MgO. Now let's dissolve this MgO into water. When magnesium oxide is dissolved in the water, it will form another compound, and that compound will be a soluble base known as magnesium hydroxide. We'll test the nature of magnesium oxide with the two litmus paper here. This one blue litmus paper and the other one is red litmus paper. And let's see what will the color change. It will take few seconds to dissolve properly. So here, in first case, when magnesium ribbon was burnt in the oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide, whereas in second case, when magnesium oxide is dissolved in water, it forms magnesium hydroxide. Now you can clearly see here the color change is there with the red litmus paper. Yes, it turns into blue in color, whereas there is no change in blue litmus paper. This means that magnesium oxide is basic in nature, because base will only give the color change with red in color, which will turn into blue. Hence, here you have seen one of the reaction. Now let's go with the other one. Let's see the second experiment over here. Here I am having calcium oxide powder. calcium oxide, it is quicklime. The formula is CaO. Calcium oxide is again a white color powder. Take it into the test tube, a little amount of calcium oxide. CaO, quicklime, the common name of calcium oxide is quicklime. If you add a water to it and shake it well, you can see the solution turn into white in color. Yes? This is CaO plus H2O will gives you what? Calcium hydroxide. After some time, in few minutes you will find out the bottom of the test tube is also little warm. This means that here the evolution of heat takes place with the formation of calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, in common name it is known as slag lime. So in first case magnesium oxide is formed, in second case here calcium hydroxide is formed. Calcium, remember here calcium hydroxide is used as a white wash for walls. We are using that. Now in both the cases, what common thing you have observed? You will see that here when magnesium is burnt with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide, when reacted with water or being dissolved in water, it forms magnesium hydroxide. Here we have tested with the blue litmus paper. It means that magnesium oxide is basic in nature. In both this case, as well as one more demo, we have seen quicklime, CaO, when dissolved in water, it forms calcium hydroxide with the evolution of heat. So here calcium oxide, quicklime, it is forming slag lime when it is dissolved in water. In both the reactions, in both the demos, one common thing is there that whatever the number of reactants you are taking here, when two or more than two reactants are reacting, it is forming a single product. And this means that it is a combination reaction. So what is the definition of combination reaction here? When two or more than two reactants are combining, forming a single product. That gives you the type of reaction, that is combination reaction. In combination reaction, in both the cases, here you have seen the production of heat and light. Here also you have seen the production of heat is there. If you will touch that bottom of the test tube, you will find the heat is evolving out. It is little bit warm. This means that combination reaction is also that if heat is evolving out of the reaction, then it gives you the exothermic reaction. Fine. So here in types of chemical reaction, the first one is combination. You have seen both the demos over here. Now you have to answer, after looking this video, you have to answer whatever the worksheet is being uploaded to your blog in your notebook. Fine? Thank you.